Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump start your Jeep Patriot. First, park the assisting vehicle with a good battery very close to your Patriot, but make sure the cars are not touching. Next, turn off both engines, remove the keys, and engage the parking brakes on both vehicles. Now, open both hoods and locate the batteries, identifying the positive and negative terminals. Always check for any battery damage. If you see cracks or leaks, do not attempt a jump start. Now, let's connect the red or positive jumper cables. Take one red clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your Jeep Patriot's dead battery. This terminal is usually marked with a plus sign. Then, take the other red clamp from the same cable set and connect it to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Double-check that both red clamps are firmly attached and not touching any other metal components. Next, we'll connect the black or negative cables. Attach one black clamp to the negative terminal of the good battery in the assisting vehicle. For the final connection, take the other black clamp and secure it to an unpainted metal part of your Jeep Patriot's engine block, away from the battery. This creates a safe ground. Now, start the engine of the good vehicle and let it run for about 2 to 3 minutes before attempting to start your Patriot. Once your Jeep Patriot starts, it's time to carefully disconnect the cables in the reverse order of how you connected them. First, remove the black clamp from your Patriot's engine block. Next, disconnect the black clamp from the good battery. Then, remove the red clamp from the good battery, and finally, the red clamp from your Patriot's battery. With the cables safely stored, drive your Jeep Patriot for at least 20 to 30 minutes to allow the alternator to adequately recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.